They're Walther, BDP. You stop. 15 yards. Just doing some test functions with it, seeing if it worked. You know, stuff like that. I just bought it. It's down. Also have my self-defense ammunition. I'm rocking with the Federal. It's not the Plus P version. This is the normal 124 Federal hollow point. I'm gonna probably do 10, 15 rounds of that. You know, I still gotta load up my mags for self-defense, but I'm gonna test function. I did just shoot 2 mags of hollow points, some old hollow points that I had. Those was, I think, Sig and Norma, something like that. I don't know. But right now, I'm using up the rest of these range ammo. I got about 2.5 mags. I'm gonna do 15 yards, 25 yards. I don't even have my holster yet, so I'm just work on accuracy right now. Just, you know, I ain't shooting a minute. Yeah, they do it.